Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, there is a problem with your website. For sometimes I don't receive answers for my questions, even though it says that question is that question is recorded.
I don't know how my website works. There is a team dedicated to receiving 50 questions every day. I answer them and they dispatch it to the people who had sent it. Now, having said that, my website, to my knowledge, works exactly at 6 o'clock p.m. Mecca time. So you could imagine that there are at least 1,000, if not more, waiting to press the paste button and send. And this takes few seconds after 6 o'clock when you get the box ready. So most likely that people try, and already the quota of 50 questions had been already collected, and then they block whatever else comes afterwards. So we do apologize, but this is my ability, unfortunately. I cannot go more than 50 because I have so many things on my plate, and may Allah grant us sincerity and the power and the support to do this.